What we're going to do is go through a series of 10 steps for PR success. Step 1. Know what you want to achieve. So knowing what you want to achieve, this could be in terms of business objectives, what you're trying to achieve in terms of the business, PR objectives, what you want your message to be about. And once that's filtered down, that will then narrow down the type of activity that you should be undertaking in order to achieve your objectives. So here's an example. Financial performance. So for example, an objective might be, in terms of what you want for your PR, is to increase your turnover and profit. Therefore, you need to be thinking about what kind of PR do you want to be doing. So you want to be attracting your customers, looking at what they read and getting into publications that will, or your potential customers anyway. So that's if financial performance is an objective, a business objective. Another business objective might be to increase your market share, in which case it might be, if you're, for example, publicly traded on the stock exchange, you might be looking at maybe a merger. You might want to merge with another company, so you might want to have good news articles on your business in magazines and publications that your potential investors are likely to read. Or if you're looking for a merger, whatever that company is, what their investors are reading. And PR might be risk containment. For example, to preempt and minimize any further damage. So if something's come out, and you see this, and it's not just companies that have to use PR or can use PR, but sometimes organizations, if you think, the Catholic Church and the scandal surrounding the priests that have been known for child abuse. So, the Pope and the Vatican and other church type organizations, in order to minimize any further damage, might start putting out some press releases and start a PR campaign to focus on good work that they've been. So it all depends on your business objectives as to, know why you're doing this. What is it that you're trying to achieve? As with anything, one should always have an objective in mind. Now, here's some examples of some PR objectives on a corporate level. To inform 10 targeted investors of reasons for MBO before the AGM. So management buyout before an annual general meeting. That could be a corporate objective. A trade objective: to ensure 50 top dealers attend annual dealers conference. That could be an objective. And it's good when objectives are quite specific in exactly what they're trying to do and have a time limit on them. Consumer: to increase visitors to the online shop by 20% over the next 18 months. Could be a PR objective. Community focus: to double job applications from school leavers within 2 years. And if that was the case, then you think about the kind of media that you'd have to target, which would be, what are school leavers? That's like 14, 15, 16-year-olds. What kind of magazines and publications are they reading? And the army does this a lot. And targeting secondary schools, and specifically the person or the department involved in training and getting the school leavers ready for work or employment or further training. And internal PR objectives, because remember, your employees can be receptive to the message that you're sending out there. It might be to ensure 80% of staff are adhering to protocol by the end of the year. Could say, everyone's got to wear a certain uniform or something like that. There could be an internal newsletter of some sort. So that's like a PR initiative internally. So again, think your objectives, what the thing is that you're trying to achieve. whether, and this tells you who you're trying to communicate with. Your objectives will then affect your activity. So whether it's a business objective, PR objective, whatever that is, that then leads to your activity. So right now, make a note of, for PR that you will potentially be doing, what is the objective that you are trying to achieve, that you want to achieve? What do you want to get? What do you hope to get out of all of this PR activity?